With a 12-cup carafe, you can easily serve your friends and family without any spills, thanks to the drip-free pour spout and comfortable handle. The Extreme Brew feature uses re-engineered brewing technology to deliver your coffee up to 25% faster, so you can indulge in that rich aroma even quicker. Do you prefer your coffee regular or bold? With the brew strength control, you have the flexibility to choose exactly how you like it. Plus, this coffee maker is fully automatic with 24-hour programmability, auto shutoff, and a 1 to 4 cup setting, making it convenient for any coffee lover's lifestyle. Are you particular about the temperature of your coffee? The adjustable temperature control offers a heater plate with high, medium, and low settings, ensuring your coffee stays at your desired temperature for as long as you need it. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Ensure compatibility before making your purchase. Start your day off right with the Cuisinart DCC 2650FR 12-cup Extreme Brew Programmable Coffeemaker. Experience the perfect cup of coffee, brewed faster, and tailored to your taste. Get yours now by clicking the link in the description below.